Classification 1 Introduction. Classification is putting organisms into groups. Classification is based on the study of external characteristics of organisms. It involves detailed observation of structure and functions of organisms. Organisms with similar characteristics are put in one group. Differences in structure are used to distinguish one group from another. The magnifying lens is an instrument that assists in the observation of fine structure, for example, hair, by enlarging them, using a magnifying lens. A specimen is placed on the bench or held by hand. Then the magnifying lens is moved towards the eye until the object is dearly focused and an enlarged image is seen. The magnification can be worked out as follows. Length of the drawing divided the magnification equals the actual length of the specimen. Note that the magnification has no units, necessity for classification, to be able to identify organisms into their taxonomic groups, to enable easier and systematic study of organisms, to show evolutionary relationships in organisms. The major units of classification are also known as taxonomic groups. Taxonomy is the study of the characteristics of organisms for the purpose of classifying them. The groups are taxa, singular taxon. The taxonomic groups include species. This is the smallest unit of classification. Organisms of the same species resemble each other. The number of chromosomes in their cells is the same. Members of a species interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Genus, plural genera. A genus is made up of a number of species that share several characteristics. Members of a genus cannot interbreed, and if they do, the offspring are infertile. Family. A family is made up of a number of genera that share several characteristics. Order. A number of families with common characteristics make an order. Class. Orders that share a number of characteristics make up a class. Phylum or division. A number of classes with similar characteristics make up a phylum, plural phyla in animals. In plants, this is called a division. Kingdom. This is made up of several phylae in animals or divisions in plants. It is the largest taxonomic unit in classification. Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.